Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am Namrata and I am taking interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Mr. Kalu Charan Misro, the founder and director of Misro Facilities Private Limited. Misro Facilities Private Limited is an ISO certified company that provides security guard services in the Indian states of Odisha and Maharashtra. From working as a security guard himself 10 years ago to now being the founder and director of Misro Facilities Private Limited, Mr. Kalu Charan Misro is here to share his incredible journey with us. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Thank you for joining today. I'm Namrata, and I'll be taking your interview. So, if you could please kindly introduce yourself.
Myself, Kalucharan Misro, the director of Misro Facilities Private Limited. Since 2010, I'm working in this industry. So after 9 years complete my ground and management level working, I started my business in 2019. Now it is complete 2 years.
Okay. So, how did you come up with the idea of your startup?
I was in this industry since 2010. From that, I was inspired for start this business.
Okay. So, in the early years, did you face any kind of difficulties?
Yeah, in the initial stage, there is a more difficult to find the manpower, ground staff, and client also.
Okay. And could you identify any gap in the market that your startup had to fill?
Yeah, when I was working the training department, operation department, I come to know the gap between the customer and the security agency. So I try to repair this thing.
Right. Also, please do explain your business model a bit for us.
We are providing the trained security guard with 24/7 emergency team in India.
Right. And during the initial years, did your friends, family invest in your startup, or you could manage to find any investors?
No,
No, as in like, yeah, no investors, only friends and family. Right.
actually,
So, what are the factors? Like, we all see that there's a pandemic going on, and what, according to you, are the factors that will impact or affect your business in the coming years?
so we are arranging the monthly refreshment and development training program to all our security ground staff. That will be the key factor to develop our next the future.
Okay. So, as your business expands, are you looking to hire any fresh candidate to help you in your business, like for
Yes,
marketing,
of course.
sales, and other things?
Yes, yes, of course. We are every time welcome to all fresh talents. So if somebody come to join our company, you will go to our website www.misrofacility.com. That is a section to apply for the job.
Right. And what are the qualities that you look for a ideal candidate?
Actually, we have the training programs. Okay, so freshers welcome for our company. So we will give the training too.
Okay. No specific requirement like the person has to be like communicative and
Yeah, he have to the good communication skill, also the physical fitness, because in the security industries, the physical fitness is most important.
right. Right.
Physical
Okay.
fitness and the communication.
So, what according to you are the personality traits of a good leader?
definitely sometime it should be delay, but one day will be definitely achievable.
Right, sir. Great point of view. Also, are you looking to hire any vendors to help you in your business expansion?
Yes, actually, we are dealing for physical security guards. Sometimes clients offer for the electronic security system handling. So we are welcome to all electronic security system handling vendors. Also, we welcome to the digital marketing vendors.
Right. So, what are the short-term and long-term goals that you have planned for your company?
Recently, we are planning for start a recruitment campus in village area. Also, we plan for digital recruitment system in future also.
Okay, so these are considered to be short-term. So, what are the long-term goals?
Long term, like we are planning for some government project. It is 5 to 7 year tender. We are planning for the
Okay.
government project.
And expanding all over India is online?
Oh yeah, actually now we are currently two states, one of Odisha and Maharashtra. We are planning for pan India business in future.
Right, sir. Lastly, before concluding this interview today, would you like to say something about startup lanes?
Yeah, startup actually, I am very first up. Thank you so much to World Startup Plans because it is a very good platform to the newcomers. The newcomers actually he have some idea, he have some all experience, but that there is not a platform for newcomers for introducing their self and their business also. So startup lesson is the best. It is a very best place to expand our business. And as a director and CEO's all personal experience and it's a past career.
Right. Well, thank you so much for joining today. It was lovely talking to you and getting to know about your business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.